Mihuko 18,900 ya mucere iria ni ya kilo 50 niyo iheanitwo ni thirikari ya China itemi-ini ria kung'ethanira na thina wa ng'aragu uria ugumiire a Kenya milioni 2.5 a kaunti 23.
In particular, the rice donation will be distributed to schools in the 23 ASAL counties to ensure the retention of students in schools during the drought period.
China is willing to strengthen its cooperation with Kenya in various fields and provide more aid and to help Kenya improve people's life and promote social and economic development.
Kobia augite thirikari ni irarutithania wira na arugamiriri a matura niguo mateithiririe mihango-ini ya gutambura aikari aria mahutitio muno ni ng'aragu.
We will make sure the food that has come from China is not going just to be in the depot, but is going to be distributed in 23 counties, and we ensure that it's timely and efficient through the network of the Minister of Interior, through county commissioners, down to the chiefs, and we are also assisted by the Red Cross.
Uteithio uyu wa mucere ni murigo wa mugwanja uria uheanitwo ni thirikari ya China kuria murigo wa mbere wa mukirirwo mwaka-ini wa 2019. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Kate Muthoni.